Want to give your Windows Start menu a different look? In this guide, I'll show you how to change skins in OpenShell, preview the available styles, and adjust a few options to make the menu fit your desktop. First, right-click the Start button or the OpenShell icon, then choose Settings. If you do not see the option right away, search for OpenShell menu settings from the Start menu. When the Settings window opens, start on the Start Menu Style tab. Here, you can choose between Classic Style, Classic with 2 columns, or Windows 7 Style. Pick one, then click Select Skin. Now you'll see the Skin tab. Click the Skin drop-down menu to view the built-in choices. Depending on your version, you may see options like Windows Aero, Metallic, or Windows 8. Choose a skin you like, then look at the preview area below. You can switch between skins as many times as you want, so take a moment to compare the colors, buttons, and overall layout. Some skins include extra settings underneath the preview. For example, you may be able to change the menu opacity, use small icons, or adjust the user picture. The exact options depend on the skin you selected. For more visual changes, open the Menu Look tab. From here, you can choose icon sizes, change the main menu font, or adjust the menu's general appearance. Keep the changes simple at first, then test the result. When you are happy with the style, click OK to save it. Then open the Start menu and check how the new skin looks on your desktop. Yeah, you can always return to settings later and switch it again. And that's how to change OpenShell skins. Choose a menu style, pick a skin, make a few small adjustments, and your Start menu can feel completely different in just a few clicks.